Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to friends from 23 countries and 5 continents. Well, actually 6 continents because we have participants from Africa as well. What an international meeting. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all our friends joining us today, especially those who are getting up early in Europe and staying up late in Hawaii. Today's topic is Gerontechnology, a solution for independent living. We all want to live actively, successfully, and independently in our later life. And Gerontechnology is one of the solutions. Gerontechnology is a relatively new interprofessional study of technology in relation to aging. The aim is to improve the daily activities of older adults in the domains of housing, communication, health, safety, mobility, work, entertainment, and leisure, etc., by using technology to implement successful aging and independent living. Gerontechnology also helps to provide support to their families, caregivers, healthcare staff under the new normal. Today, we are fortunate to have invited 5 distinguished speakers sharing 4 presentations from Taiwan, Malaysia, Netherlands, and Hong Kong. They will be sharing with us on how policy, service, and products related to Gerontechnology has promoted independent living in their countries and cities. I'm sure you must be eagerly waiting and looking forward to the presentations. So am I. But before we start, I would like to invite Professor Catherine Brown, President of ACAP, to give a welcoming speech. Professor Brown is also a professor of public health and social work. Barbara calls Anthony Endowed Chair on Aging at the University of Hawaii. Professor Brown, please.
Thank you very much. I'm going to just share my screen and say welcome to everyone from ACAP. This is our second webinar for 2021. So as Teresa said, Gerontechnology. Here are photos of our speakers, and I'm very, very excited to hear what they have to say. Teresa will be introducing them more in depth. And many thanks to Rob for making this fabulous flyer. So I know most of you have seen this slide before and know that ACAP stands for Active Aging Consortium Asia Pacific. And our mission is to share friendship and best practices for active aging. The best benefit of ACAP is that it's free. And then the other benefit is you can learn new things because we really like to share all the information that we can find on active aging and ways to age well and to stay active in our later years. We have members from all over the world, and we invite you to become a member yourself, and it's very easy. Just send me an email and I will add you to the mailing list. We have a bulletin, and this is what Dr. Kumar was saying. He has sent articles for this newsletter. Many of you have sent articles for this bulletin, and please, we invite everyone to participate, to send articles. Share what you know. The articles don't have to be long. They can just be a page. We love pictures. Even a paragraph with pictures are fine. And our next deadline is July 15th. Here's a picture of Rob, who has been our fearless editor. Here's our webinar series as we've had planned so far. Last month, our topic was on older people and can they really rely on quality long-term care given worker shortages and inconsistent training across countries. Of course, today, Gerontechnology, June 30, Voices of Older People. July 16th, we still don't know if that's the date, but the topic is intergenerational bonding and activity. In August, we will be presenting in collaboration with the Golden Age Foundation, New Images of Aging. And then future topics are digital aging, elder abuse, and healthy foods. The healthy foods one's going to be really fun. Everyone bring your healthy food. Everyone's going to talk and tell us what food you brought and why it's healthy, why it's good for aging, good for health. So here's a picture of Singapore and our moderator, Phil McKay, for our June webinar. So this is June 30th for sure. You will get more information on that coming up. But right
29
now,
rupees இது போடுறாங்கல்ல.
oops, can you please mute? So right now, I'd like to introduce Teresa Sen, who is our moderator tonight. Teresa and I have been friends for more than a decade. I met her when she was with the Institute for Active Aging at Hong Kong Polytechnic University. Now she's a former professor of practice there, but still an honorary consultant with their Jockey Club Smart Aging Hub. And she's also a visiting professor at Respati University in Indonesia. She was recently, last couple of years, awarded a certificate of commendation by the government of Hong Kong Special Administration Region. Congratulations on that, Teresa. And I joked that she was retired, but actually she's not. She's a member or advisor to more than 15 different NGOs. So still very, very busy, always enthusiastic, and a good ACAP rep and a good friend. So thank you, Teresa, for moderating, and you can take it from here.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Catherine, for your kind words. You know, I must thank Catherine and her student, Rob Medina, for coordinating and hosting this webinar, especially at this time of the hour, which is already past 10 p.m. in Hawaii. Well, thank you so much, Catherine. Okay, I'm going to invite all speakers to make their presentations first. If you have any questions or comments, I welcome you to post on the chat, and I'll share your questions during the Q&A at the end of all the presentations.